Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers.
Question number 22. The main operators like between, equal to, not equal to, and another way of not equal to operators in SQL Server database. In this session, we are going to discuss about the operators like between, equal to, not equal to, and another way of equal to operators in SQL Server database. Let's start with between operator. The between operator in SQL Server is used to filter rows where column values lies within a range, including both boundary values. It works for numbers, dates, and even text values. Coming to the scenarios, using between with numbers. For example, to find employee's salary between 800 and 1600. Here is a query. Select employee number, employee name, job, salary from employee, where salary between 800 and 1600. We have a note here. Between is inclusive. That means in the output, it will include 800 and 1600 as well, the between range of these two numbers. Coming to the second scenario, using between with dates. For example, to get employees hired between these two dates, we have a query. Select employee number, employee name, job, salary, and hire date from EMP, where hire date between these dates. There is a note here, like if order date includes time. For example, with the date we are having date time like 15 hours, 0 minutes or 0 seconds. The between operator between these two dates won't include it, because since 15 is after the midnight. In this kind of scenario, we have a best practice. We can use less than or equal to or greater than or equal to operators to achieve the same. If there is a time which we can't achieve to get the desired result, we have alternative method, that is by using between two dates like greater than or equal to or less than or equal to operators. For example, for some numbers, if you are using in a reverse method, it won't work. For example, where price between 400 and 100, it won't give you the results. Why? Because it always puts lower value first and higher value second. And coming to the differences among equal to, not equal to, and another way of not equal to in SQL Server. In SQL Server, these operators are used for comparison in the where clause or other conditions. First we will see equal to operator. It checks if a column is equal to a specific value. For example, to find employees job as manager, we have a query. Select employee name, employee number, job, salary, and hire date from employee, where job is equal to manager. And we are coming to see not equal to operator. It's a standard SQL way of saying not equal. It works in SQL Server, Oracle, and MySQL. For example, to get employees not as manager, we have the same query, but in where condition we can use where job is not equal to manager. And coming to the third scenario, instead of not equal to, we have another way of calling alternative syntax. Does the same thing as not equal to, but it is specific to SQL Server, MySQL Server, and PostgreSQL. Not always supported in Oracle. That means it is not a standard operator for all the databases. It is specific to some of the databases like SQL Server, MySQL Server, and PostgreSQL. It's just syntax tick sugar. Functionality is identical to not equal to function, which is the standard one. We can use that on any database. For example, we can use the same query where job is not equal to manager. Let's see the key differences between equal to, not equal to, and another way of calling not equal to. Coming to the equal to, the meaning is we can call it as equal to. Example, salary is equal to 5,000. The result will fetch only the records where employee is having 5,000 of salary. Coming to the next operator, not equal to, is an ANSI standard. That is only the main difference between the other one, where department is not equal to IT. Here all employees except IT will be displayed. Not equal to then. This is another way. It is non-standard but works in SQL. That means it won't work in all the databases. For example, in Oracle we can't use this operator like not equal to. This is also the same example we are having. Department is not equal to IT. Then same as not equal to, which is ANSI standard. Let's see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SSMS and we are at the database called demo@GKey. Let's see the table. Here we are having a table called employee and with the data, employee number, employee name, job, MGR, manager ID, hire date, salary, commission and department number. Let's see first example, the between operator for numbers. Here we are selecting the query where salary between 800 and 1600 and display the data inclusive of the values of 800 and 1600 along with the between values. And coming to the next scenario, between operator with the dates. Here also where hire date between two dates that we have given here, just execute it. These are the hire date between the dates that we have given in the query. This is the query. And coming to the equal to, not equal to operators, find employee's job where job is equal to manager. Here is the records which job is managers and their details we got here. And in the same way, for not the manager, this is the query that we are going to execute here. Let's see the job for not managers. That means apart from manager, data or records are going to be displayed by using this query. And coming to another way of calling it, it also gives you the same result. How the not equal to is operating. See. Whereas this one is a standard one and this one is specific to SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, something like that. It is not used in Oracle database. In this way, the different and main operators are in SQL Server database and they have the specific functionality based on their usage. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.